Welcome to my kitchen. Just Cook DC Copper. Hey, I'm tossing around a little Cornish ham, Cornish game ham. If you're like me, you like all parts of the chicken. You like the thighs, you like the breasts, you like the wings, you like the drumstick, you like the neck, whatever. And the chicken is too big for you. Embrace the Cornish ham. Little small, fits in my palm like that. It's a full, comes with a whole thighs, wings, breast, drumsticks, the whole nine. I'm gonna deep fry this. Nothing fancy, no coating, no fanciness, just paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Poof, throw it in a fryer. This size will take about 12 minutes and it's nicely crispy fried. So jump on this one, like, share, subscribe. Cornish hen night. All right, first things first, we are gonna brine. We're gonna brine this guy. Brining is salt, peppercorn, boil it, dissolve 1 cup of kosher salt to 3 quarts of water and 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. This imparts a flavor in the chicken. We're gonna brine this for about 2 hours. It's a small chicken, so 2 hours in a brine, kosher salt, 1 cup, 3 quarts of water, and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. All right, 2 hours later, we are gonna wash this guy. So remember, it's just very salty solution for the brine. So we're just gonna dump that out and we are gonna wash this hen nicely, get rid of all that salt stuff. Good news is when we're cooking and we just don't need to put salt on it. It's already been brined. It's primed to go. All right. All right, pat it dry. This has to be really dry. Use your paper towels, get it as dry as you can, and it's gonna sit at room temperature for about an hour before you deep fry it. Remember, it's gonna hit hot oil, so you don't want any water on it. All right, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Remember, no salt. We brined it. All right, flip it, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, my oil is at 350 degrees, ultimate frying temperature. Let's go. I don't know if you've seen those funny videos of people trying to fry turkey and it just blows up. Guys, folks, when you're doing this, slowly, just drop it in really slowly.
Alright, frying really good. If you notice, so this is gonna take about 12 minutes to fry this whole chicken. I am gonna flip it every 3 minutes, just to evenly cook it. It's fully submerged, but you can see it kind of pops up off the oil. So just so it evenly cooks, I'm gonna do 3 minutes, flip it, 3 minutes, flip it, 3 minutes, flip it. Golden brown, fried. Cornish ham. Alright, I think my chicken is about to come out. My Cornish hen is about to come out. Yes. Oh, slap. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. Nice and crispy skin. Oh, yes. Alright, let us carve this. I am going to serve this with some mashed potatoes and some green beans. So, if you ever want to try a Cornish hen, follow my recipe. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, brine it, pepper, deep fry, 12 minutes, and you have a great meal. Ooh, let me get the chicken quarter out here. Look how tender and juicy this is. Look at that. Tender, juicy, crispy skin dripping. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Like, share, subscribe. Enjoy.